time to move out.
They won't know what hit them.
Time to move out.
They won't know what hit them.
All you got.
The superheroes have arrived.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Behold, the might of justice. You really aren't part of an evil organization, right?
Let's do this together.
Here I come! Here I come! I must aim for more than this.
Found you!
Take this! It's time to test which of us is more advanced, once and for all.
First strike!
Wow! So cool! You see that?
Knew that was a fighter!
Oh no! Attack!
Messed up a bit.
Have no fear! Gotenks is here!
No, you don't.
Over here!
You're going to have to contend with me.
Let's move.
I'll handle the rest.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Here I come! Do you have a death wish? Retreat now!
This is nothing.
The real battle.
Charge ahead! Here I come! Watch close. Oh, greater heights.
Just a little longer!
I'll use this power to the fullest.
Just a little longer!
Could I have misjudged their timing? Rally your teammates. Heroes always get back up. Here I come!
Not on my way.
Locked up! Locked up!
A powerful foe has appeared. All right, let's get this over with.
I'll go up top! Hey!
Take this! Leave the rest to me.
Their hero needs to do much more than this.
Number 2, we can do this!
Right.
Power of heroes! Out of the way! Take this! There!
How could I lose? So you've
I'll be your opponent. Get ready! Forward your head! You can't escape! Try this! Lock up! Power curse! You!
Hey!
Take this!
This is it! Take it!
That was just rude.
Bring it on!
Bad. Time to fall back.
I'll go up top.
Sorry to keep you.
Justice is indestructible.
Take it down. No, you don't.
Here I come. Truth must aim for more than this.
A powerful foe has appeared.
Number 2, we can do this.
Right.
Let's go, number 2. Take this. Welcome. I'll shoot you to ribbons. Out of the way. Receive choice.
Let's try this one.
Nice job. You broke through the god of destruction.
That's the spirit! Shortcuts!
I'll go up top.
Eat this!
This is dangerous.
Take that!
Let's move.
Isn't that enough?
We got a ways to go.
Let's go handle the rest. Here I come. What's that?
Take it!
Depleted.
Wow. I'm on the edge of my seat.
Look how hard they're fighting.
My energy's not even close to being used up. Please watch me, Dr. Hedo. Number 2, we can do this!
Right!
Fight evil with the power of justice! I won't forgive anyone who gets in my way!
You're nothing but a nice job. You broke through the god of destruction.
Don't overdo it.
I can keep going. No problem. I'll go down low.
Count on you!
Entertain me.
Locked up! Hey, take this!
What's the matter? I'll show you what happens when you underestimate me.
So, you want to challenge a superhero?
Keep running your mouth, and I'm gonna make you bite your tongue.
What did I do? What power is this? Number 2, we can do this!
Let's turn it out.
Let's go, number 2.
Amazing! Your teammate just landed a a max Dection burst!
Out of the way! Take this! This is pretty frustrating. Justice shall prevail! Shoot you to ribbons! Proceed with caution! Talking about dodging unversatile with power! Got no backup? I'm fine.
Man, you look rough.
No backup? What power is this? Number 2, we can do this!
Sweet, but I'm not letting you steal the spotlight.
Nice job! You broke through the god of destruction!
Welcome, Granzino.
I'll go down low.
Misjudged their timing. I'm ready for you. How about you left to me? Got no backup? What can I do? Here it comes! What can I do? I got no backup! This is bad.
I'll go down
Fall
low.
back! And this way, side.
Your life ends
Here you go!
You can take this one.
Let's proceed with caution. Now I'm ready for any battle.
Identify you there.
Don't overdo it.
This is nothing.
I fulfill my orders without question.
No, you don't.
Over here! Number 2, we can do this!
Watch out!
Let's go.
Take it!
I won't lose to an older man like you. Be gone! Here it comes!
Now watch me!
Proceed with
Sorry,
caution.
but lend me a hand?
Toward your head!
Here, Gotenks is here!
Here I come!
I'll be
Watch how's this? Stay
On my way.
You did it! You broke through all their gods of destruction! Now, break the dragon shell and go get the Dragon Balls!
I could have done that without you.